Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to dead rails portals. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dead rails portal. So all you need to do is find the Nikola Tesla building. Then once you find that, write Nikola Tesla. Not Nikola Tesla said, but the doctors, the zombie doctors here. And as you can see right here, I've killed everybody and gonna get the Nikola Tesla gun. As you can see. All you need for the portal is of course, the portal and the iron lightning rod and electrocutioner and holy water. So the holy water is used for to refill the gun, the lightning gun that you've taken from Nikola Tesla. So if you run out of bullets, just throw your gun and throw the holy water at your gun, so it can refill back to 20. Now we're going back to the train. Now we're just gonna set up and put the horse there and the torch right over here. Put torch here and keep the door safe. Then let's get our holy water out and put the portal here. There you go. Then put the lightning rod next to the portal, so it gives more like second lightning strike, so you won't have to keep using the electrocutioner gun. So now where's my holy water? Wait, where's my holy water? Wait, I'm gonna cut it to where I found the. Oh, there you go. I found. I'm not gonna cut it anymore. There we go. We're gonna get it. Now, all we're gonna do is we're gonna head to the outpost. So see you there, guys. Now here we are. Now start shooting. Let's start shooting this portal. Let's go. Wait, I'm gonna get the strange mass. There you go. Okay, and crucifix. I'm gonna get that. Let's put it right here. Then let's go shot. 1, 2, 3. So thanks to our lightning rod, it helps us electrocute it two times more, like another time. So there we go. Or so we're at 12 right now. 11. Oh, I think we need to reload the electrocutioner gun. Oopsie, come on, lightning rod, do your thing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oof, 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 oof. There we go. As you can see, we have reached the achievement and we have made the portal to the secret island. So, there you go, guys. Now let's get in. And here we are, the mystery island. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And look, there's a little house here that you can go in. So there, that's a bit cool. And a quick tip for you guys: once you got here, you can no longer go back to dead rails, the train to your train and to the outpost. This became the other ending for you. So there, I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.